Okay. Okay. We got the F-16 and Dan's Avanti. All right, Dan, you ready?
I'll let you go first.
Okay, I'm going. Stay perimeter of the field. Okay. Okay, turn in. Coming over the field. Where is that Avanti? Where?
Right behind you.
Okay.
High.
Okay. I have to go full power to get out of that.
Coming up on your 6.
Okay. No, I was just trying to get behind you. Yeah.
You're trying to follow me?
Yeah.
I'm coming around.
Okay.
High speed pass.
Coming over low. I think I just got ahead of you. There you go. Very nice.
Shot right by.
All right. Hit the brakes.
Turning left.
And Dan flew right by. Okay, you pass me up, Dan. Oh. Okay, good. Let me settle in. Okay. Okay. I just got ahead of you. Okay. I see. Okay. Powering up. Okay. All right, cut the corner.
Cutting now.
Okay.
Right behind you.
Go.
Outside.
There you go.
I'm out. I'm in front of you.
There we go. Hey, I just got back in front. Come on.
What are you trying to do? You
See.
want to be in front of me or behind me?
Trying to get behind you.
All right, well,
But you keep going wide.
far of a wide.
Yeah, you're going out super wide. Actually, I'm gonna have to loop. Let's go for a loop.
Come behind me.
Okay. Where are you at? Oh, there you are. Huh. Turn and burn, baby.
Let this roll. There we go. There we go.
Okay. All right, Dan, you gonna turn in?
I'll turn it now.
Okay, turn in. Okay. Very nice.
Too fast.
No, I got it. Oh yeah. You got pretty quick.
Well, and it goes downhill. It picks up speed.
Okay, I'm behind you. There we go.
Maybe you tell me how many minutes I had left.
I got it's almost time to land. So you gonna go first?
I'm gonna have to go around.
Okay.
Myself up.
All right. Landing. Are you landing from the left?
Yeah, but I'm gonna go around one time.
Okay.
I'll get out of your way if you want to land.
No, you go first. You go.
I'm landing from the left.
Okay. You got a nice little breeze to help you.
Showed up here with a big old mess of
Zone speed. Very nice.
I'm down.
Okay. I'll be setting up to land from the left.
Gear down.
Gears are down. Okay. Okay.
Low battery.
Oh, thank you. Thought I was about to bounce for a second.
Throttle disabled.
Okay, good flight.